Hi guys, welcome to Mark's Irish Kitchen, where I do family friendly recipes that everyone can enjoy. So today's video is for chicken breast topped with pesto and mozzarella cheese. So sit back, relax and enjoy, and thanks for watching. Now we take an oven-proof frying pan and we pop it in some olive oil into it. Put it onto a medium heat, let the oil warm up, and then we're going to add our chicken breasts. Now we cook the chicken breasts for 2 minutes on each side, and just turn them over. Now we're going to top with some homemade basil pesto. I'll leave a link for the pesto in the card above and in the description below. Then we're going to top it with some chopped black olives. You can use black or green olives or a mixture of both if you wish. I just prefer the black olives. Then on top of that we're going to add some sliced cherry tomatoes. Now folks, if you're finding value in my videos, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. It does help the channel and it means I can make more videos for you. And then some buffalo mozzarella. Then we give it a good grind of black pepper. Now we take our chicken breast and we pop it into a preheated oven. The oven's been heated to 200 degrees centigrade, 400 Fahrenheit. Now we cook our chicken for 20 to 25 minutes. Take it out, just check that it's fully cooked. Using a meat thermometer, it should read 75 degrees centigrade or 165 Fahrenheit. Just make sure there's no pink in the middle. Now that our chicken is cooked, it's time to serve. Now I've just served mine with some homemade potato wedges, but you can serve it with a salad. It would even go nice on top of a pasta, spaghetti, tagliatelle. Take our chicken breast, give it another drizzle of pesto, a sprinkling of some basil leaves. Now folks, if you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you in my further videos.